what you have to do is you add the frequency to get these two ingredients to fight fibroid to 3 times every month. Welcome back to my channel. This plant lifestyles. Today we are going to talk about the unripe plantain. The unripe plantain has a lot of benefits that we use to heal different kinds of illness in the community. But today I'm going to talk about healing yourself from stomach ulcer with this unripe plantain. Yes, unripe plantain has a lot of compounds, a lot of nutrients in it that we use to heal sicknesses. One main reason these goats, they like chewing this plantain bark, that is the peel of this plantain. They have special benefits. In fact, as a man, it keeps your waist very strong. It keeps your nerves very strong to perform action. In fact, there is another teachings I will be uploading on my channel about this unripe plantain bark, that or the peel. But today I'm going to talk about how to use the plantain peel or the plantain fruit to heal your stomach ulcer. Let's start with the preparation. So we are going to start our preparation. So you get your unripe plantain. It's either you are going to remove the outer layer or you can cut it together with the food inside. You can just remove the outer layer only and cut the outer layer and then soak it into your water, or you can cut it with the the food inside. It is very difficult to find plantain nowadays, so people will just use the fruit or the food inside and use the peel, but I'm going to cut it together with the peel. So at this point you will be cutting it into pieces. You cut it into pieces. After you are done, it's remember to get an unwrapped plantain. It's always unripe plantain. It's very good when you get it very fresh from the farm. Yes, when you get it very fresh from the farm, not sometimes should not be less than 3 days or 4 days after harvesting. So getting it fresh is always good. After cutting it, you just put it in your bowl. That is the bowl you want to make your preparation. Then after that, you are going to add some amount of water to it. You add water to it. After adding water to it, you are going to let it stand for 24 hours. You can make it plenty. This one is for education purpose. That's why I use only one plantain. You can use about 4 or 5. Then you cut it and get a bigger container. After that, you add water to it. After standing for 24 hours, you are going to fetch some of the water. Be drinking it as if whenever you are thirsty, just get cup and fetch some of the water and drink. So welcome back again. It's 24 hours and we are going to look at how our preparation looks like, and we are going to take a drink from it and see how safe it is to take the plantain peel. Yes, let's go and check our mixture and see how it looks like. Stay tuned to the end of this video. Welcome back again. Today is 24 hours since we started our preparation. So we are going to take a drink from our preparation. So this is how it will look like after 24 hours. So you get your cup. We are going to get a drink from it. So you see, half a cup. This is how the liquid will look like. Then you are going to take this early in the morning with empty stomach, and then in the afternoon and in the evening. Even whenever you are thirsty, you can just get it. So if you are preparing it for your treatment, you have to get a larger bowl. This one is for demonstration purpose. That's why I use a smaller or small bowl. So you can get a bigger one, then you use it for your preparation. So we are going to take this early in the morning. Okay, so we have our decoction. We are going to take it empty stomach early in the morning if you are suffering from ulcer, and we are going to take it in the afternoon empty stomach before food, 30 minutes before food, and then in the evening. But throughout these intervals, if you feel thirsty, you can get some and just drink it like water. The other benefits you are going to enjoy aside from treating your stomach problem. Yes, so it's very good for taking this plantain peel early in the morning. It does a lot of things, not only stomach problems. Not only stomach problems. There are a lot that I'm going to talk about in another video. See you in the next video. Please share my videos to your friends. Tell them that there are simple remedies in the house that we can use to heal ourselves and bring good energy into our body. Thank you for liking my video, subscribing, and also sharing with your friends. See you in the next video.